Hey everyone, this is Abhinav here. I study in 10th class and I'm from DAV Public School. So today I've made a thermoelectric fridge that does not use any compressor. So before checking the results, let's quickly look at the components. Guys, so we are ready to go. So let me switch on the SMPS. So the before temperature before I start the SMPS is 29 degrees Celsius. So now I'm switching it on. You can see the heat sink is on. So let's leave it for a while and monitor the temperature. So as you could see, it reduced almost 13 degrees in about 8 minutes, which is like fabulous. And you can also try this project at your home and can carry it everywhere, even while you're traveling, and will be very useful. So thanks for watching.